Hey friends, today I will be showing you to make the sweet and sour hot noodles. This is having the goodness of the sweet, sour and the spicy flavors to make this recipe delicious. So let's quickly get started. First I'm cooking the noodles. So in a pan, added water. Once the water is hot enough, I'm adding salt and then 2 packets of noodles. Let the noodles boil well. Just follow the instructions how long it takes to cook the noodles. Once it's done, just strain off the noodles from a sieve and then run cold water through it and keep it aside. To cook the noodles in a wok, added oil. Thereafter, once the oil is hot, I'm adding the chopped garlic and the green chilies chopped. You can add as much of green chilies you want. I have just added 1 of that. Thereafter, once it's light brown in color, adding the sliced onions, the chopped green spring onions, then chopped cabbage, carrots, red bell peppers. You can even add green bell peppers. I didn't have it, so I just added the red bell peppers. In high flame, stir fry everything well, stir frying for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, adding some boiled chicken. You can add it or you can just skip it. Now I will be adding the sweet and sour hot sauces. All the measurements are given already in the description box. So adding the dark soy sauce, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, some chili oil. Now mixing all the sauces well in high flame for 1 or 2 minutes, not much. After that, I'm adding the cooked noodles which was set aside and going to mix everything well together, the sauces and the noodles, so that the sauces are incorporated in the noodles well. So I'm adding a little bit more of chili oil and the red chili sauce to add the spiciness more. Adding in some salt as per taste. Please note that the sauces already have some salt in it. So friends, here comes my version of the sweet and sour hot noodles. This recipe is amazing. Just look at the sauces. It has mixed so well and looks simply delicious. Just give this recipe a try and do let me know how was it. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for stopping by and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, let me enjoy this noodles and see you soon. Bye bye.